Yo guys, and welcome to a new vlog.
It's the chance of your life. Okay, try to be brave. You have so much to say. Take control of your own life.
It's a very exciting vlog because we're going to film some BMWs, and tonight we're also going skating. I've also bought a new desk, so as you can see now I can stand while filming, and hopefully I can fix it so that the TV that's in the back over there, hopefully I can fix it so that it also goes up, so I can just stand while I work and then can look forward, so that's better for your posture. And I'm already packing the bag, so we've got a lot of stuff. We are going to take the FPV drone, and we are also going to take the normal drone, of course. All the gear is going with us. So for the skate edit, I'm not going to take everything with me, just because I want everything to be clean for tomorrow. I'm excited to first shoot the skate edit. It's in a new skate park here in Den Bosch. Well, not here in Den Bosch because I'm from Veldhoven, but you know what I mean. It's a new skate park. Let's go, I'm excited.
Let the games begin, anticipating the main event. The crowd gets silent, lights get dim, and the show don't start until I step in. I display so proper, crowd and show rocker. What I got on my swing, on my drink, and the glow trotter. Others cool compared to me, they know nada. Shut them down quick, the show stop. Name all around the globe. I got that fire that had your town on the road. With the team of Caraga crowd all alone. From the floor to the seats, I got them out of control. The show about a party, turn the show to a party. Spirit rise so high for your soul. Out your body, the mark, get set, let's go. Get it started, you go to the roof off it regardless. You turn it up, say, oh yeah, oh yeah. Turn it up, say, oh yeah. We ain't going nowhere, nowhere. We ain't going nowhere. You turn it up, say, oh yeah, oh yeah. Turn it up, say, oh yeah.
About it, I make you shout it. Get you open like you was on some Guinness Stout shit. Can't stop the flow. Respect the big hazardous you don't know.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder where you are. Probably in some nigga's car. Acting cute, sweating his loot.
Throw your hands up high. Put them up if you feel a vibe. It's showtime. It's showtime. On your mark, get hype in no time. Throw your hands up high. Put them up if you feel a vibe. It's showtime. It's showtime. Get up and get hype in no time. Warm it up, hey. Warm it up, hey. Warm it up. We going up, hey. Going up, hey. Going up, hey. Going up. Warm it up, hey. Warm it up, hey. Warm it up, hey. Warm it up. We going up, hey. Going up, hey. Going up, hey. Going up. Break it down.
Man, I just got it. I'm the one that got the swag. I'm the one that got them sad. I don't do this here to brag. I just got it, got it. I can show them how to act. Pull my shoulder on the bag. Keep it real and that's a bag. I just got it, got it.
Day of shooting. We now have the GoPro mounted on the floor. It's fucking sick this day. We're gonna, of course you've already seen those edits, so I'm excited. Let's go! Woo! It's still standing. Ja, dit is het echt goed vastgeplakt, toch? Woo! Pulling the concrete from the floor. Damn! Sick, sick.
aan de bar. Dat is niet normaal.
Hey guys, and thank you for watching this vlog. It was super exciting to film those BMWs and the skate edit once again. And I've got some ultra exciting news, because the next vlogs are going to be awesome, because we're in fucking South Africa, baby. Let's go. The next vlogs are going to be so excited. I hope you stick around. I hope you join me on this amazing journey. We're gonna create some amazing content here. Let's go. Thank you for watching my video all the way up till the end. I hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to like the video. If you're not done seeing my face, you could watch my latest video or check out the other video. I really want to thank you, and I hope to see you in the next one.